Hello friends, hope all you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel SRHVAC. In today's video, we are going to see duct. What is a duct or what is a HVAC duct? We will see the different types of duct available: square, rectangular, oval, and we will see different type of material that are being used for manufacturing these duct. We will see all the basic concept of duct designing. We will see the method to design, and we will see the MacWay software. So friends, those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friend, let's start our today's topic. What is a duct? Okay, we will start with the basic. Duct is a passage or a conduit used to deliver the air or other gas in the HVAC system. This is the duct. Okay, this carries the our air, hot or cold air. You can see it, a grill will be fitted here which will supply the our hot or cool air. Okay, what is HVAC? HVAC stand for heat, ventilation and air condition. Okay friends, simply put, duct help us to transport the heat or cool air through a building, keeping your space comfortable. The duct is mostly classified on the basis of their velocity, shape and pressure. A duct system is also called ductwork. Planning, layout, sizing, detailing and finding the pressure loss through a duct system is called duct design. Ducts are used for mostly commonly for supply, return and exhaust air. Okay friends, this is the basic concept of what is a duct. Okay, we will see one layout of that one. This is the layout of a duct. Okay, this is silic suspended unit. You can see the air is transported to this square duct. Then it is circular duct, then it is flexible and it finally it passes through our diffuser. This is cooling in different zone or different area. Okay, you can see this is the square duct. Okay, then second you see the AHU. It is passing through the rectangular duct, then it is going to the flexible duct, finally to the our terminal or our diffuser area. Okay, or grill. You can see this is the rectangular duct, then it is square one, then it is flexible. This is cooling in the different area. This is the basic layout of our duct. Okay, we will see one picture also. You can see this is the header line. Okay, and it is the branch is connected to them and it is distributing to the different area. I hope you are clear what is the duct. The next point in our duct system is types of duct. Duct are based on classified on the basis of their shape, pressure and velocity. Okay, for the base of shape it will be rectangular duct. This one is rectangular, this is square. Okay, this is the oval duct. You can see this is the oval or square duct. It will the another one is based on the pressure, high pressure, medium pressure and low pressure, and another one is based on the velocity. It is high velocity or low velocity. In the industrial or commercial we use the high velocity. In the small house we use low velocity duct because it will create more noise. Okay, we have to choose it carefully. You can see this is the fabric circular duct. Okay, this is the flexible duct, circular fabric. Okay friend, this is the rectangular duct. Friend, I hope you have cleared about what are the different type of duct and how they are classified. Friends, next point in our duct system is material used for ducting, material used for manufacturing the duct. As we have covered the types of duct, let us now talk about the material used to make them. The material choose can be affect the durability, efficiency and the cost of duct system. Okay, the first one will be our galvanized sheet or GI sheet. This is the most commonly used of material for manufacturing the duct. You can see this is the GI. It is strong, resistant to corrosion and great for both as well as resistant as well as commercial system. Okay, the friend, next one we have our aluminium. This is the one more common material that is used to manufacture the duct because it is light in weight. It durability more than our GI and it is easy to install, plus it is bit more resistant to rust than the galvanized sheet. It is mostly used in our medical, hospital and a clean room, etc. Okay, the next one is system is fabric duct. Fabric duct is also known as textile duct, that is made from polyester material and it is available in various shape and sizes, mostly in round shape, even semicircle, and it is mostly used in gym, our store area where we want the air to be distributed evenly with maintaining our RH. Okay, the next point is PI duct or you can say pre-insulated duct. This is the another option you can use. This is made from our phenolic and polyurethane. Okay, this is in the both side it is applied with the aluminium face. That thickness vary from 25 micrometer to 200 micrometer. Yes, you can see in the video itself. Okay, I hope you cleared about PI duct, pre-insulated material. Okay, friend, the next duct material is flexible duct. Okay, these are made from a spiral core wire and are covered with a thin layer of plastic or fiber insulation. They are great for tight space and are easy to install. Friend, they are mostly used where we have a constant of space. Okay, these are the flexible duct. Okay, friend, the next material is our PVC. This is the another material used for some duct system, especially for the low pressure and air distribution application. This is lightweight, affordable, and resistant to chemical. This is used for fresh air, exhaust air, or return air. Okay, friends. Friends, the next point in our duct system is duct design. The sizing of a ductwork in the HV system can be done by three methods, namely our equal friction method, velocity method, and static regain method. Okay, the equal friction method, this is the most commonly used for designing ductwork. The method used to ensure that the friction loss or pressure loss unit per length of a duct is kept constant throughout the entire system, from the main duct to the branch duct to the, okay, we put the same friction loss, mainly 0.08 or 0.1. The another method is velocity method. This method we are focusing on reducing the air velocity in the ductwork to minimize noise and maintain the appropriate level of the duct. Okay, the we will for example, the branch duct will have a different velocity, the main duct have a different velocity. It will be applied according to the application, okay, where you are using. Okay, we will decide the decide the velocity. Okay, the next method is static regain method. This method is primarily used for larger commercial and industrial area where the ductwork is often more complex. Now friend, we will see the duct designing software. It is McWay software. For example, I am going to show you one. Okay, suppose you have a system of 1500 CFM. Okay, now I am putting the head loss. This is the equal friction method. Okay, mostly we put 0.8. Okay, now automatically you can see flow per minute, FPM, it came. Okay, equivalent dia also came. So you can put more than 18 inch, okay, or square you want, you can have it. Okay, now you can see this is the 300 by 500. If the height is not available, you can change it to 250 to 650. This is the rectangular duct size. Okay, and you have a 450 mm of circular dia if you want a circular duct. Okay, I hope you have cleared what is equal friction method in duct designing. Okay, this is the for 1500 CFM and the loss is 0.08 water column per 100 feet. Okay, if you do not want to use equal friction method, you want to FPM. Okay, so it will be below 1000. Okay, it will be for a residential if it is a 1500 CFM. See, that is the dia will be 16 and it will be 10 by 24. Okay, I hope you cleared about this velocity method also. This is for the velocity method I have shown. I hope you have cleared the basics of duct designing. What are the method used to design the duct? Friends, the next point in our duct system is thickness and gauges of GI sheet. These are the thickness of different GI sheets and these are the gauges. We use the terminology gauges in defining the GI sheet. Okay, for designing of duct from 0 to 750 mm. If the duct design is 0 to 750, we will use 0.63 mm of thickness of GI sheet. It will be 0.8 for aluminium and we will use the joint as slip joint. Okay, from 750 to 1500 mm, if the size of a rectangular disc is more than 750 and below 1500 mm, we will use 0.8 mm of GI sheet, and for aluminum it will be 1 and we will use the angle joint. Okay, 40 by 40. If it is 1500 to 2250 mm, we will use 1 mm and aluminum it will be 1.5 mm. We will use angle joint. For above 2250 mm, we will use 1.25 mm of GI sheet. Okay, and the aluminum it will be 1.8 mm. We will use angle joint 50 by 50. Okay, these are the thickness of GI sheet and what we are using for designing of the duct. You use the gauges are 0.6, it will be 24 gauge. That means for this one we will use 24 gauge. 0.8 22 gauge, 0.1 mm it will be 20 gauge, 1.25 it will be 18 gauge, 1.5 mm it will be 16 gauge and 1.8 mm it will be 14 gauge. So friend, these are the thickness and these are the thickness of GI sheet and gauges. Friends, I hope you have cleared about the different thickness and gauges of GI sheets. Friend, each type of duct has its own unique advantages, making it suitable for different application and environment. When choosing a duct system for your HVAC unit, factors such as space, constraints, airflow requirement, cost, and installation will guide your decision. Okay, friend, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. There is a lot more content coming up on your way. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.